welcome back to the channel. I'm just saying that because you've always got to say that. Now, we've got a Citroen C1 bespoke, custom, top of the range exhaust going on here. Right, the plan is we're going to cut that off there, weld the shitter to this with a bit of an adapter plate. See, look at the quality of that there. I haven't found that in scrap bin at all. And then we're going to cut that one off, possibly, and weld it to this end here. Now this is, it's not for a motorcycle or anything like that, it's actually for a Citroen C1, as you can see. Toyota Aygo, then work on any of the shaggers. We'll see how we get on with it anyway. I'll probably give up and fuck off home after a bit, but we've got Jumbo FM coming from Gran Canaria on. Gate station of the world, I think it is. It's a good one though. So we've got a bit of that going on. Let's fuck about. Well, I'll go into plan. We need to measure this from here to here, because this is the mounting points on the car. So if we measure that from there to there, we get a rough idea. It's about 700mm thereabouts to that bit. And we've got an air saw here to cut it apart with. It's usually pretty good, but at the moment it's got a blunt blade, so it's actually just for cutting through air. I mean, that's about all it does. But we'll give it a go. Now, I've done a quick weld onto that bit, but I need to fill in this hole here now. We'll just fill it with weld. Not much pride in this job, to be honest with you. Right, it's about 10 minutes later now, and we have one bespoke exhaust. Now, it's not finished, because I need to make an exit up here, otherwise we'll all die of carbon monoxide poisoning. But I'm going to go and see, I'm going to go and check that it doesn't fit, because it's not going to, obviously. We'll have to mess with it, I'd have thought, but we'll go and see. As you can see, right, as anticipated, if I line that one up to there, that one doesn't line up to there. So we're on to a winner, because it's all going to plan, it doesn't actually fit. But we'll alter that slightly. We've modified the hanger. I mean, this is, as you can see, it's not made out of old bolts that I had lying about at all. It's put them threads on there myself, just for sure, really. But that's just to support to try and stop it falling on deck when we're driving along, you know, at 400 miles an hour. But yeah. Right, this is what we're left with now. I'll best turn these bangers down in a minute. Right, this is what we have now. We've got some professionally mandrel bent, proper exhaust tipping going on there. And as you can see, I've taken really loads of time with my welds. You know, look at them. Don't get much better than that. And let's go and see if it doesn't fit again. It probably won't. Well, as you can see, factory fit. See what it sounds like. And as I'll demonstrate, it's inspired by the same technology as that goes into an E46 M3 for the rasp.